Hi friends, I'm Chinmay from Gardening Mentor. If you want to make use of your kitchen waste, then this video is for you. I'm going to show how to compost in this video. So let's begin with composting. Composting can be done in any size of pots. It can be even done in buckets, in small pits. I'm showing in a 10-inch pot. First, the pot must be having drainage holes so that water may pass through it. Then keep stones on the holes so that the soil should not go out of it. At the bottom, fill garden soil half inch at height above the stones. Now fill the pot with 1 inch of leaf matter or any dry waste. I am using sawdust in this video. This method of composting is called layer composting, in which we make layers of different dry materials like leaves, soil. Now the third layer will be of wet waste like vegetable scrap, banana peels, flowers, etc. Now we are going to repeat the process. We will fill the pot with soil, but this time again we will fill the wet waste. The second wet waste layer must be thick, about 2 inches in height. After repeating, the dry waste layer like leaves is optional. Always remember to remove air pockets by shaking the pot. You can even cut the wet waste in small pieces so it decomposes faster as compared to large pieces. I have added a layer of dry grass between the two layers of wet waste. Make as many as layers possible so that large amount of compost can be extracted from a small pot. We can even poke a pencil sized stick or any sharp tool to remove air pockets. Instead of gardening soil, any composting starter can be used. It is easily available in markets. And if you want to make a vermicompost, just add earthworms to this layers, and you can even buy vermicomposted soil which can be added in it. The top layers must consist of small amount of wet waste and equal proportion of dry leaves and soil. The compost will be ready in about 3 weeks to 2 months. After 3 weeks of starting, we can add wet waste once a week in this pot. Compost can be added in planted pots every 15 days or 1 month while mulching. Watering should be done when the pot is filled, and it must be given once a week. Try this method and share your experience in the comment section. Please like, share, and don't forget to comment. Happy gardening! Thank you.